Hey folks, welcome back to Abundant Life Homestead. Today we're setting up for the big tractor and engine show in Portland, Indiana. I'm at our family's place in Jay County, waiting on my father-in-law to get here. I don't know what all tractors we're taking today. We've got a barn full of tractors here at his place and another one a mile down the road at our uncle's place. I do know, however, that I plan on driving my A the last 10 miles from here to the fairgrounds. So I'm going to get this unloaded. We'll wait for the old guys to get here, see what's going on, play it by ear. You'll find out as I do. Corn flies everywhere. Here's one of the tractors my father-in-law has out right now. It's a Farmall 656 diesel. Serial number shows it as a 1965. It's got a 4.6 liter engine that gives it about 65 horsepower. This tractor is a little worse for wear, but it's well loved. I know they use it quite a bit for both plowing and planting. Right now he's got a planter hooked up to it. Let's nose around it a little bit and see if he's got some time to talk about it when he gets here. We need this one. You're gonna pole start? Huh? You gonna pole start it? That's how you load a tricycle tractor on a trailer with 2 ramps. Here comes the Super A.
made for good video.
Yeah. I went to get on my ramps last night and actually I thought I put it in first and put it in third. Jumped the front end of the A right off the ground. You should have room to get, I'm not going to stand. As long as the brakes hold. Or shut it off in gear.
I know once that pen gets in there, it ain't going nowhere now.
I don't know where the pen, that's right here. You got to pull the cub out. You gonna back up to it? Now, will it pull start, or is it?
Well, I don't know.
We'll find out, huh? Not a good place to put on that you won't damage it. Has this got the same gear? Is this the same gears as the A? Okay. I mean, we can find out the hard way. That don't sound good. Had to jump start the cub, but she's running. We need a clevis or something for the back of that to hook to a chain. You ain't got nothing to hook to. You do have one? Yeah, okay. He says, Lloyd says he's got a clevis in the truck. I thought about that, but I hate the fact that these aren't very strong lifts.
Yeah.
There we go. Hang on, let me take another loop of this. Okay. That'll work. What are we doing now?
Block.
A block?
A little bit up.
Yeah. We got a jack stand. We couldn't just hold it up with a jack stand. It'd push right into the ground. I don't know what else I got in there. Probably nothing. There you go. That's exactly what you're looking for.
Is there a way to put that on without stopping the cylinder? Well, yeah, you don't have to turn the wheel and get it lined up and ran. Just run her off. That's called tractor driving there. Oh, yeah.
And we need these to register, right? Yeah.
Take these up when you get ready to sign that and sign the tractor up.
Okay.
No. That'll be 9 years. That's plenty.
Well, see, if you want signed up for 11.
I'm gonna dust in my wallet. Never gets used.
No. I need a break. It's been long enough.
I have to go talk to that other old guy, see what he tells me. You know, I don't know, you know, he sets up over there. His name's Sam. I don't know whether you know him or not.
That's a little bit. Yeah.
Did you try starting it? I forget that half the time. You going first or am I? been waiting all summer to make that drive. All that work I put into this. I'm happy now. Nothing? Okay, it's about 3 o'clock in the afternoon. So far we've brought in 7 tractors today. I believe the plan is to bring more in. They're going to get an old Cadillac tractor right now, but there's also thunderstorms in the area, so that may change their plans. I don't know. I've got my tractor and the ones that were coming from my father-in-law's. We'll have to wait and see what the rest of the family does, but while we're waiting, let's take a look at what we got in. Okay, there's of course my A. And that is Uncle David's Super A. The H, I don't know which one of the brothers owns the H. Back here we got our F12. This is a fairly recent addition to the family. It still needs a lot of work. Father-in-law's Cub. You saw us jump start this one earlier and then just push it to get it in place once we were here. It's going to need some more work. This is the 560, the one we successfully push started earlier. I'm not certain who owns it. And then my father-in-law's 656. He drove this one following me on the A all the way in. Besides us, there are already several dozen tractors out here. And we still got 5 days before the show starts. The club that puts on the show is expecting about 800 antique tractors out here this year, including the heavy equipment that you can see back in the background. As the show gets on, once this field gets packed, we'll walk around and try to look at some of these. Alright, here comes Lloyd and our other 560. Oh, that's David in our other 560. He said he wasn't going to drive it. I missed him unloading it, but this is the Cadillac tractor. I don't know much about it. It belongs to an extended family member. I know they're supposedly ridiculously rare, and he likes to tell us that he turned down $17,000 for it. I really like my tractors, but I think I'd have taken the money. Well, folks, that wraps up day one of getting our family's tractors in here. Say we've had a few passing showers, a lot of wind right now, and some thunderstorms in the area, so that kind of shut everybody down. We did get what we got? We got 8 tractors in here, 9 if you include the Cadillac, and the guys did say they're going to try to fill these spaces in tomorrow. I may or may not be here for that. If not, we'll fill you all in the next day. But appreciate you watching. If you're going to be at the tractor show, leave a comment below. Let me know where to find you. Love to come visit. And if you want to see any more of the tractors or anything else we do out on the homestead, make sure you're subscribed. I try to update regularly, and appreciate any likes and shares that you give us. But otherwise, until next time, keep on nourishing your dreams, cultivating your passions, embracing the beauty of God's creation. We'll see you then.